Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? Gilmore. My first thought was Happy Gilmore, the Adam Sandler film, but it could be Gilmore Girls, couldn't it? Because we've also got Golden Girls, Spice Girls. What would the fourth one be? Mean Girls would fit, wouldn't it? That's probably worth a shot. They are indeed a group. Okay. Given that that's the purple group, it might be that the other 3 are very easy, because the purple group is allegedly the toughest, but we'll see if it works out that way. Mist and water are sort of very similar, and so is a shower. And a plane? A jet? I feel like it's going to be 4 out of those 5. I'm just not quite sure I can explain which 4 it's going to be or exactly why. A jet, like a spray? I'm not quite sure. What else could we do? A cone. Oh, a saw and a chisel and a plane and a hammer. So maybe it's those 4, because they're just tools. Yeah, carpentry tools. Okay. So if it is 4 of the 5 that I was saying earlier, it's going to be these. But then what on earth would link the other 4? Bittersweet? Bitter. I'm not quite convinced it's those 4, just because water is in that group. So it's not going to be a shower of water, a jet of water, a mist of water, and a water of water, is it? That doesn't quite make sense. But I don't quite know what else it could be. Bitter. Winter. What's going to go with winter? Winter white and jet black? Doesn't quite work, does it? Winter ox. Is that a thing? Just because musk ox is definitely a thing. What can a musk be, apart from obviously Elon Musk? Or a smell? Not quite sure. Maybe I should try these 4, but I'm not quite sure I understand why. Oh, it's 1 away. Okay. A fine mist, a fine jet, a fine shower. I don't know which one to remove. I wasn't confident. That's why it took me so long to go for these 4 in the first place. But I am close. I just can't explain why, so therefore I don't know what the 4th one's going to be and which one is wrong. A cone of water. Maybe it's a cone instead of a mist. That's also 1 away. Oh dear. Bittersweet. No, that just doesn't quite make sense. Maybe it's cone and mist, and water is the wrong one. Oh, it is the garden hose settings. I knew it was something to do with water, but I don't have a garden, let alone a garden hose. A cone, a jet, a mist, and a shower. Yeah, I was close. I should have known that it wasn't going to be water. And then that one is melon. Bitter melon, musk melon, watermelon, and winter melon. Well, I've heard of exactly 1 of those, so I was never going to get that. So I'm glad that I started basically making some guesses about the blue group, because we could have been here all day trying to work out what that green group was. Tough one. So the purple group definitely wasn't the hardest one, at least to me. Anyway, we solved the puzzle in the end. Couple of mistakes. So it's not quite perfect, but it's better than failing. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching and bye for now.